Shibaura machine on technology for maximization of profit. Mr. Vinoth Kumar joined L&T Plastics Machinery way back in 2006 after his post-graduation in CAD CAM from VIT Vellore. He is the head of the R&D division of Shibaura Machine India Pvt Ltd, a subsidiary of Shibaura Machine Company Limited, Japan. Mr. Vinoth is known as a customer's friend with SMI, as he always puts the customer's requirement above anything else. He is enthusiastic about meeting customers and is always updated about the happenings in the world of injection molding machine. His technical expertise in injection molding machine combined with his customer-centric approach has made him the leader of what he is today. With a career spanning almost 2 decades, Mr. Vinoth is poised to take Shibaura Machines India to a greater heights. Welcome, Mr. Vinoth Kumar.
I can use this, right? Yeah. Oh, front. Okay. Good afternoon, one and all. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen, for being patient right from morning. Many congratulations to all the presenters who have presented right from morning. It was quite insightful, the information shared. So thanks IPA for giving us the opportunity to present what we have in stake. So just brief introduction about our company. See, approximately 150 years old company. The rich heritage we have got in the technology front stands as a part. And regarding the products, we have got various products, as most of the customers know, like TS series, TD series, recently launched the LSR series, and infinite series of machines for fast cycling, and entry-level series, TS series I've already mentioned, TXJ series, RAM series of machines, and we are going to come out and surprise you with many more products in the near future. A lot of accolades we have won. Since we are a technology-based company, we continuously thrive in improving our products, being the small front on the larger front. We always think that the improvements only can make us big. So we have won so many awards in the recent past also for the multi-injection molding machines. We have won from the government of India an accolade for our innovation. And as we all know, since we are a machinery manufacturer, we cover almost the entire gamut of applications of injection molding machines. Actually, we are a solution provider. I can proudly say that we are a solution provider. Any special applications customers bring to us, we definitely are the person to reach for. Like you can see right from automotive, electrical packaging, white goods, furniture segment, PVC fittings, and many more. And as we are a global company, we are present in more than 40 countries, and about 900 plus machines are there in the field. See, as an engineer, I always believe that we should be strong in our fundamentals. Before getting into the technology, what I'm going to talk about, we should be, I always feel like, we should be strong in our fundamentals. When we miss our fundamentals with the technology without fundamentals is not going to help in any other way. See, we all know the words process, machine, time, facility, people. So if you look at the process, as whether you have got a single machine or a multi-machines, so it is very much required to understand about the process, whether it is a manufacturing process or the raw material processing. See, we should be 100% sure that the correct process is adapted. We talk about the supply chain, the methodology of making the product, the material that is used to make the product, and there is a term called motion and movement. Whether we are creating motions or movement inside the organization, the references, whatever products we are making, whether do we have any references for our product, whether anyone is doing better than us. If we have got all these things in mind, definitely we can elevate ourselves to a global standard. That's what I strongly believe. And when we talk about machine, whenever you choose a machine, so when a salesperson pitches in, right, whatever the salesperson tells, you can listen, but you should apply your mind whether you have selected the right machine, correct machine with proper sizing and with proper placing screw and with proper power pack system, whether you want really a servo system or whether you really want an induction motor system. You should be thoroughly knowledge in that. If you don't have knowledge, you can have references among your friends so that you can correctly choose the product. And now this is the order of the day for all of us to collaborate with each other. Like being a machine manufacturer, I should be in touch with, I should collaborate with the auxiliary equipments, mold maker, the other players who are directly or involved or indirectly involved in the process of satisfying your needs. Definitely, this is the order of the day. So we should all connect with each other and choose the right machine for the right product. And the kind of facility you have got, no, since there may be limitations for you to invest money, but definitely the investment in the facility is very much important. For an example, I told you about motion and movement. The difference between motion and movement, everyone knows, right? Motion means it definitely gives some output to you. It definitely results in good results. Results in effective output for you. Movement means unnecessary movement of people, unnecessary movement of material, unnecessarily putting efforts in non-value added things. All these things, as a customer, you should think whether I am having the right facility for this right product. And of course, people. So without people, no organization functions right. So as the people are the backbone of the organization, I strongly believe the right attitude people makes the organization strong. So for the people, we should always train the people in the right sense. Whether, of course, the financial part also, we should try to educate them so that they understand what the organization goes through. What is the financial results of the company? In what direction the company is growing? So what I can contribute for the company? Like that, people should be able to think. So educating or training the employees is very much required. And decentralized, like screw specialist, mechanical design engineer specialist, hydraulic specialist. So you should have a decentralization of knowledge for the long run of an organization. Of course, if you have got all these things, right, what we are talking about is the time, which I missed, right? Why I'm mentioning the last point? When you have got all these things together, the timely production is possible in a shorter period of time. So, as I mentioned about the process, if you have got a lean process, you have got the QCD parameters met, and this should be the habit of our plastic industry. Now I'm getting into the main topic, this IoT solution. Now, Mr. Guru has told in the morning session about decision making. See, as machine user, you should know you are taking the right decision. How you can take the right decision? If you have got the data. If you are depending on people's words, people's views, it's not going to help you in the long run. So now we are talking about Industry 4.4. So many players are there in India. We are also providing the IoT solutions. You can use this solution to enhance your operations, to make your operations efficient, and thus maximize your maximize your profit. So I'm really proud to talk about our multi-injection molding machine technology, which have been received well by customers all over our country. The application is wide. We talk about overmolding, and we talk about flexible production, we talk about co-injection and stack molding applications. All these areas we can touch upon now. See, these are the configurations which we can offer, like side, if you can look at the slide, we can offer in vertical injection unit. Based on the mold configurations, we can provide the solutions. This is a special thing from our side. Like if you can see the picture, the pitch is ranging from 360 to 800, right? And you can see in the fixed plate end, there are 2 slots available. We can vary the pitch of the injection units so that different sizes of the molds can be adapted. So in a single machines, 2 molds can be adapted, the 2 various sizes. And if you can see the case study what we have done recently, you can see in a conventional method, if you have got 2 machines, we could make only 360 parts per hour, that to 20 seconds cycle time. Wherein with this solution, we could get the products within 10 seconds, and that to 1440 parts per hour. And just with a 50% extra additional investment, your productivity is increased by 400%. Just imagine the kind of the solution we have got. And 2 different colors also you can make. The picture itself is self-explanatory. And this is a classical case which we have recently studied. We closely worked with one of the customers. This is a toggle which is used in sanitary spray. You can see the kind of conventional solution, the payback period is 43 months. So whatever solutions we are talking about is within 20 months you can get the payback. That is the kind of advantage of this technology which we are talking about. And next one is the sandwich molding technology. So like morning we have talked, so many people have talked about circular economy, and Mr. Guru has told about this EPR system which the government has in 2016 has introduced. So this definitely is going to be the order of the day. So many people were talking about the different technological advancements in plastics. So this technology, what we are talking about, is to save cost like anything. Like you can see the application, the virgin can be skin, the core can be regrind or reprocessed. And functionality also, the skin can be elastomer, the core can be resin. Appearance can be any kind of appearance you want, we can make it. I just want to show the animation, how the process is being done. So after A injection starts, the B injection starts. After B injection stops, again A injection is completed. So what are the advantages of this technology, what we are talking about? We can have flexibility to switch between core and skin. Like I don't want to mention about our competitors. There are some limitations with them, but in our machines, we are definitely sure that the switching of core and skin is highly possible. And hot sprue mold can be easily processed, and the bottom dosing with virgin is highly possible, and you can get higher shot weight with a single machine. This is the product which we have recently tried out. So like this, the sandwich molding technology has got wide varieties of applications, right from door handle of cars, computer housings, wheel rims, automotive body panels. See, just see the wide variety of applications, this sandwich molding technology has got. People should look at this and then try to optimize what kind of improvements they can do by using this technology. Some of the part samples, just for your reference purpose, I've just snapped in. And you can reach out us in social media. We are there. Our sales team is there anytime for you. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity.